Wouldn't it make sense to have a machine with a coating that allows wood to slide effortlessly across the table? One where you're not worrying about rust, sweat, and humidity? At Powermatic, we know how tedious it can be to maintain these tables because we are woodworkers just like you. We've got over 100 years of experience setting the gold standard. So when we say we've got a common sense solution that will change the way you work, you know we mean it. Powermatic is introducing ArmorGlide technology. This industrial-grade coating on bandsaws, table saws, and joiners requires less force, giving you more control as you easily maneuver the wood across the table. And ArmorGlide makes the table rust-resistant and maintenance-free, allowing you to spend more time doing what you love rather than wasting time maintaining a table. We know what you're thinking. What about the durability? We've put it to the test with over 250,000 passes without any impact to the feel or performance. And the dark color of the surface reduces glare, improving the contrast between the table and the wood, making it easier to see where you're cutting. To us, solving all these problems was just common sense. This is how Powermatic is empowering your craft.